My dear grade 8 learners, in this time of pandemic, it's really hard to study alone. But Ma'am Maryka can definitely help you. So just stay tuned and learn with me. Welcome to our English class. Today, you're not just gonna learn something, but you'll also have fun. Learn with fun with Ma'am Ika because you and me are ikabagabol. How do you think that a statement is a fact or an opinion? Just like this. Tell me if the statement is a fact or if the statement is an opinion. I'll give you 5 seconds to think about the answer. 1. I think pastillas is better than polvoron. Time's up! Did you get the right answer? Or you're not sure? Don't worry because we will check it right now. The answer for number 1 is opinion. Did you get the right answer? Well then, congratulations! Who among you didn't get the correct answer? It's okay. We still have few more questions. You got this. Try to figure out if the statement is a fact or opinion. Number 2. December 30 is Dr. Jose Rizal's death anniversary. Time is up! The answer for number 2 is fact. Those who get the correct answer, raise your hand! Congratulations! You're awesome! Why didn't you raise your hand? You didn't get the correct answer? It's totally fine. I still have one last statement for you. So, make sure you will get this. Number 3. Malolos is Bulacan's capital. And time is up. The correct answer for number 3 is fact. For those who get the 3 correct answers, give yourself a congratulatory clap. Follow Ma'am Ika. 3 claps. 3 stamps. 2 thumbs ups. And shout, awesome. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Don't worry for those who only get 2 correct answers, 1 correct answer, and didn't get any correct answer. You still did an amazing job. Give yourselves 3 claps. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, everyone! Now, Ma'am Ika have a question for you. How did you know that the statement is a fact? And how did you know if the statement is an opinion? Did you use any keywords or you're just lucky today? And how about our lesson for today? Do you have any ideas? You're right! Our lesson for today that has a connection to opinion is using opinion marking signals to share ideas. But before that, these are the objectives for this lesson. 1. Students must differentiate facts from opinion. 2. Students must identify the opinion marking signals used in sentences or in essay. And 3. Students must create their own sentences using opinion marking signals. Always remember our congratulatory clap because we will use it every correct answer. So are you ready, my dear students? Bring out your self-module and pen and let's start learning with Ma'am Ika because you and me are Ika-bogable. So class, do any of you know the difference between fact and opinion? Facts are statements that can be proven. These are information known to be true and can be used as evidence. Here are some examples. News articles, research papers, and books. How about opinion? Opinions is the opposite of fact. These are the statements that cannot be proven and it is based on someone's emotions and thoughts. Opinions can be used in reflection papers, reaction papers, or writing an essay. On the other hand, opinion marking signals are words or phrases used to establish a sentence expressing the opinion or emotion of a person about a topic. This will be your guide to identify if the statement is an opinion statement. What you see right now are examples of opinion marking signals that can be found on the introduction or at the beginning of the sentence. I feel, I think, I like, I strongly believed, in my opinion, based on what I know, my favorite, I am confident that, speaking for myself, from my point of view, and many more. Examples. My favorite flavor of ice cream is strawberry. I like blue seas than green mountains. These examples shows the usage of opinion marking signals that can be found at the beginning of a sentence. And number 1, Ma'am Ika used my favorite. And number 2, I used I like. But wait, there's more! Another way to identify if the statement is an opinion is through its adjectives. Here are some examples. Always, never, awful, wonderful, beautiful, ugly, better, best, worst, delicious, enjoyable, horrible, favorite, for, against, unfair, good, bad, inferior, superior, oppose, support, worthwhile, and many more. Examples. Your spaghetti is so delicious. You have beautiful voice. I promise to myself that I will never spend a lot of money. Have you noticed the adjectives I use in these sentences? Let's find out. And number 1, Ma'am Ika used delicious. Did you get the right answer? You did great. Number 2, I used beautiful. And in number 3, you're right. I used never. Wow, you're amazing. So these are the words that you need to remember for you to identify that a statement is an opinion. You can see the opinion marking signals at the beginning of the sentence or on its adjectives. Remember, to avoid misunderstanding in a conversation, it is useful to use opinion marking signals to express your own thoughts and opinions. Do you get that, class? Well then, it's time for the fun part. It's time to answer
exercises.
Don't worry, Ma'am Ika is here to guide you. So, when I say, "Are you ready, kids?" you will say, "Aye, Captain." Let's try. Are you ready, kids?
Aye, Captain.
I can't hear you.
Aye, Captain.
Now, I want you to choose the letter of the correct answer that shows opinion marking signals in the following sentences. So, go get your notebook and pen and get ready for
Round 1.
1. In my opinion, lying is the same as cheating or stealing. A. Lying. B. The same as. C. In my opinion. Or D. Or. Time's up! The correct answer, number 1, is C. In my opinion. In my opinion is an example of introductory opinion marking signals because we found it at the beginning of the statement. Number 2. I think friends should always be honest. A. I think. B. Should. C. Always. D. Be. The correct answer for number 2 is A. I think. We found it at the beginning of the statement, so it means it is also an example of introductory opinion marking signals. 3. This is the best movie I've ever watched. A. I've. B. Ever. C. This. D. Best. The answer for number 3 is D. Best. Best is an example of adjective that can also be used to identify if a statement is an opinion. Doing great? Now, let's move on to number 4. 4. I had a wonderful time yesterday with my friends. A. I had. B. Wonderful. C. Yesterday. D. With. The answer for number 4 is B. Wonderful. Another adjective word. Last, number 5. I went to a store near in Makati. It was good and it has a better interior design than the store we visited last week. A. Went and near. B. Than and we. C. Good and better. D. Good and visited. And time is up! Are you surprised by the 2 answers? Well, I know you will get that. You did a great job, my dear learners. Now, who among you got the 5 correct answers? Raise your hands. Congratulations! Now ready to give yourselves our congratulatory clap. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Awesome! Thank you for participating in our first exercise. Are you guys having fun? Do you want some more? Well then, I will give you more. Are you ready, kids?
Aye, Captain.
I can hear you.
Aye, Captain.
Get ready for
Round 2.
Now, I want you to write in your notebook if the statement is fact or opinion. Let's start. 1. Rabbits are mammals. 2. French fries are salty. 3. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. 4. English is my favorite subject. 5. Pop is the best kind of music. 'Have you noticed that Ma'am Ika didn't reveal the correct answers? Because we are not done yet. Let us continue to the follow-up exercise right away. What you're going to do now after you answered if the statement is fact or opinion from the previous activity, it is now time for you to identify the opinion marking signals that were used in the opinion statements. And if the answer is fact, write the word fact once again. This is getting harder and exciting. So, are you ready, kids?
Aye, Captain.
Let's go! 1. Rabbits are mammals. The statement 1 is fact. So the answer is fact again. Number 2. French fries are salty. The statement 2 is an opinion, and the opinion marking that is used is salty. 3. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. The statement 3 is fact. So once again, the answer is fact. 4. English is my favorite subject. The number 4 statement is opinion. And the opinion marking signal that is used is favorite. 5. Pop is the best kind of music. The statement number 5 is opinion statement. And the opinion marking signal that is used is best. And that is the end of our round 2. Wow, you're impressing me, my dear grade 8 students. Now, who got the perfect 10 points? Congratulations, you did great. Now, what are you waiting for? Let's get ready to give yourselves our congratulatory clap. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Awesome! Woohoo! Congratulations on reaching the last exercise for today's lesson. We will not prolong it any longer. So, are you ready, kids?
Aye, Captain.
I can't hear you.
Aye, Captain.
I have your set of choices. You need to pick between the choices and explain your answers using opinion marking signals why you choose it over the other. Don't worry, I will give you longer time to construct your sentences. So prepare your notebook and pen and get ready for
Final round.
1 minute each. 3 minutes in total. Here's the set of choices. Good luck, learners. 1. Coffee or milk tea? 2. Shopee or Lazada? 3. Samsung or iPhone? 'Time's up! I know that we have different answers. So, if you construct your answers using opinion marking signals, then you got 3 points. So, who got 3 points? Raise your hands! Congratulations! You did really great! And for those who got 3 points for the final round, here's your congratulatory clap. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Awesome! Job well done, my intelligent grade 8 students! Thank you for participating in our exercises for today. Now here's your assignment. Don't forget what we discussed today, okay? Take screenshots to the assignment so that you have your own copy. Ready? Here's your assignment. And that's all for today. But before I end this episode, let's take a look if the students achieved the objectives for today's lesson. In this lesson, the students differentiated facts from opinion. The students identified the opinion marking signals used in sentences or in essay. And the students created their own sentences using opinion marking signals. Thank you for joining me in this episode, my dear learners. With Ma'am Ika, you're not just gonna learn something, but you will also have fun. Because you and me are Ika Bogaball. See you next time. Goodbye!